Top 3 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaners 2025. Hello, lovers of effortless cleaning. Ready to meet the masters of automatic vacuuming in 2025? Today we reveal the top 3 robot vacuum cleaners that will change your life. Get ready for an epic duel: Roomba Q0120, Eufy 11S Max, and Roborock Q7 Max Plus. And don't miss the links in the description with exclusive offers thanks to our friends at Amazon Affiliates. Take advantage. We're starting with the undisputed bestseller, the Roomba Q0120. This robot is a champion at navigating cleanly, leaving your home spotless with its powerful suction. Plus, it works wonderfully with Alexa. Imagine saying Roomba, clean the living room, and voila! Pure magic. Ideal if you have pets and different types of flooring. Oh! And a major plus, forget about that overheated robot smell some of them have. You know which ones I'm talking about, right? Winking face. If you fell in love, head to the link below. Looking for something more discreet and quiet? The Eufy 11S Max is the cleaning ninja. Quiet as a whisper and so slim it slides under furniture without a problem. Its suction is good, though not as powerful as the Roombas, but it does its job quietly. And the best part is its price. A quality robot that won't break the bank. If you're a savings lover, this is your perfect partner. The discount link is waiting for you below. Winking face. If you want the latest in technology and power, get ready for the Roborock Q7 Max Plus. This is the Ferrari of robot vacuums. With 4,200 pascals of suction, it practically lifts your carpets. Plus, it has LiDAR mapping, just like a Space Explorer, and it mops too. It vacuums and mops, all in one. Perfect for large homes, complex floors, and those who demand the best. Expensive? Yes, but worth every penny if you want premium cleaning without lifting a finger. Find the link below. So which one should you choose? Here's the rundown. Roomba Q0120, the perfect balance, reliable, and a classic that never fails. Eufy 11S Max, ideal if you have limited space or are looking for absolute silence. Roborock Q7 Max Plus, the most advanced, for unlimited vacuuming and mopping. Each one has its charm, but they all free you from the slavery of cleaning. So choose yours and enjoy your free time. Smiling face with sunglasses. And that's it, folks. Our top 3 robot vacuums for 2025. If you're interested in any of these, head over to the links below to take advantage of the deals. Remember, by purchasing through these links, you're supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. Orange heart. Like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Do you already have a robot vacuum or are you looking for the perfect one? Let me know.